In the first video of our Creating a Tender series, we had just emailed tender invitations to our preferred team. Now we're going to look at managing these invitations, attaching quotes, and awarding contracts. As you can see from the on-project report, a couple of contractors have already confirmed their interest in the project. This simply means that they intend to quote for the project. The Waiting on Responses tab tells me who hasn't yet accepted a tender invitation and who has declined the opportunity. Jay's contractor has verbally advised that they will be quoting, so I'm going to indicate this by pushing them onto the project. For everyone else, the tender closing date is fast approaching, so I'm going to notify them again of the tender by checking the Select All checkbox and clicking on Notify. This will send the tender invitation again. If I go to the Manage Documents area, I can see from the Incoming Docs Quotes tab that two of my contractors have sent me their estimates via the Doc Exchange option in their bio accounts. This is a private document exchange between the contractor and the project owner, and anything submitted via this tab cannot be seen by any other contractor or supplier on the project. By default, these documents are locked to prevent changes. I have also received a quote outside of bio via email that I would like to save into the system, so all project information is stored in one central location. To do this, I simply go to the On Project tab, check the checkbox corresponding to that contractor, click Add Quote, and upload the estimate. As I chose to publish my project and have it viewable by contractors in the bio system, I have received an expression of interest from a contractor to quote for the project. I've decided to allow them onto the project, but there is also the option to deny the expression of interest. Either way, the contractor will automatically receive a notification as to whether their expression of interest has been successful or not. I've received a question about a specification on the plan, so I'm going to send everyone involved, or who may be involved, in on the project an addendum. First, I upload my revised specification document to my addendum folder. If I had multiple files, I could upload them all at once using a zip folder. I then go to the Manage Documents area and click on the Add Transmittal tab. I'm going to set a reply by date for the recipients to acknowledge their receipt of the revisions and respond with any questions or concerns. I select my addendum folder and then the particular document I want to send. If I just wanted to send the update to a particular group of contractors, say my preferred concreters, I could use the filter option to refine the list of possible recipients to just concreters. I can also restrict the recipients to the trades and products associated with that folder. In this case, I want to send the update to everyone who has been notified of the tender. First, I select my on-project members I need to send it to, then the contractors who haven't declined or accepted the tender invitation, and lastly, I choose the staff I want to inform. I just need to type in a quick message and hit Submit. The recipients will receive the message with the link to download the new file. If I go to the Features option in the left-hand menu and choose Transmittal, I can see the transmittal I just sent and all the information about who was sent to and at what time. If I click on the Document Access Report link, I can see who has downloaded the new file. And I could see from the Pick Trades tab that most of the trades I need to get estimates for have at least one confirmed contractor intending to quote. I can see this from the number in the working column. The trades in red font have not been covered, and I would like to find applicable contractors to send the tender invitation to. To do this, I simply click on the Search option, and this will bring up any contractors who have not yet been notified about the project. I check all the tradespersons I want to invite to tender and click Submit to send the notification. And that's part 2 of creating tender. So contact the help desk if you would like to learn more about this on 1300-604-001.